On Living Lectures today, let's talk about the winner's mindset. The winner's mindset is what you get when you navigate the negative situations you encounter with courage and a positive mental attitude. A combination of vision, belief, and confidence working together and feeding into one another will propel you into the confines of a winner's mindset. When you have enough faith in your own abilities to know that you can achieve whatever you've set out to do in life, you are tapping from your reserve of a winning mindset. Truth be told, it doesn't happen easily. It is very possible to change your mindset to ensure you can get to a more positive place over time if you are intentional about the things you do on a daily basis. Once again, the winner's mindset is what you get when you navigate the negative situations you encounter with courage and a positive mental attitude. If you want more of this, connect to Living Lectures, where we connect to success. Click on the like button, and so you can have more coming your way.